Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best pizza ovens? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pizza ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Ooni Koda 12 Pizza Oven. We've been testing Ooni pizza ovens since the original one launched back in 2017. The Koda 12 is one of the brand's cheaper models, and after thorough testing at our test kitchen and an expert's home, it's our best overall choice for a variety of reasons. Most importantly, it's a sleek gas-powered pizza oven that lets you consistently make great pizza. During testing, the Koda 12 took 15 minutes to reach the recommended temperature. The manufacturer claims it takes 15 minutes to reach 950 degrees Fahrenheit, but we measured the back of the oven at just 830 degrees in that time frame. That's still plenty hot, and one of the quickest preheat times of all the pizza ovens we tried. With super high heat, this can cook plain pizza in a minute, while more toppings need an additional 30 seconds. Even when baking multiple pizzas back to back, each had evenly melted cheese and perfectly cooked toppings. At these high temperatures, you have to turn the pizza every 20 seconds or it'll burn. It takes practice, but it's easy to make pizzas once you do, and we found that a smaller peel helps. And number 2. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. If you prefer cooking your pizza indoors but don't want to heat your oven and your kitchen, the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven does the job, and it's fun to watch. The indoor pizza maker rotates continuously to bake the pizza evenly without burning. It heats from both the top and bottom, just not at super high temperatures. However, the heating elements can be controlled separately, so if the crust is brown before the cheese is gooey, you can turn up the top heat and turn down the bottom heat. This pizza cooker took a while to heat when we tested it, and there was some inconsistency in the browning of the crust, but the cheese melted well, and our pepperoni cooked up nice and crispy. We like that a timer turns off the heat automatically, so you can walk away without worrying about a burned pizza, and an audible signal will alert you that your pizza is done. The pizza tray is removable and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. And number 3. Breville Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. Indoor pizza ovens are often easier and more convenient than an outdoor option. This Breville model can reach 750 degrees, the temperature required for authentic pizza. You won't get quite the same smoky flavor as a wood-fired pizza oven, but for ease and convenience, the Breville cannot be beaten. Like other smart Breville appliances, this has easy-to-use settings, so it's simple to choose frozen thin-crust pizza, deep dish, or a wood-fired style pizza. It's also possible to customize the settings to get the perfect results for any pizza style and personal preference. We successfully cooked a frozen pizza in 15 minutes using the oven's preset option and achieved fantastic results: nicely browned crust and golden brown cheese. We also successfully baked a thin margherita pizza, a pan pizza layered with cheese, and a meaty bolognese. We particularly love it for Chicago deep dish pies due to its ability to cook at lower, controlled temperatures. And number 4. Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven. Want wood-fire flavor without the hassle of starting a grill with charcoal or wood? Make pizzeria-level pizzas by just turning a dial? Also check. What makes Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven truly stand out is the advanced technology, the ability to infuse smoky flavor with just a half cup of wood pellets, and the versatility that is packed inside a small but powerful appliance. Making pizza in the Ninja Woodfire could not be easier. It has preset settings for Neapolitan, thin crust, New York style, pan pizza, and frozen. You can also customize the time and temperature for your unique style of pizza. The preheating times were long but not always so. The longest is 25 minutes for Neapolitan style pizza, which is still pretty good for an electric pizza oven. The oven bakes pizza in anything from 3 minutes for Neapolitan to 20 minutes for a frozen one. The best part of using this oven was that we didn't need to turn the pizza while it was baking, and they still cooked evenly with a blistered crust and evenly melted cheese. Cooking pizzas one after another was also quick. Up to 4 Neapolitan-style pizzas can cook back-to-back before needing a little time to get the temperature back up. And number 5. Ooni Koda 2 Pro Gas-Powered Pizza Oven. The Ooni Koda 2 Pro has a 30% larger capacity than its predecessor. The stone measures 21 by 18 inches, with more than enough room to launch family-sized pizzas and hefty cast iron pans. It features a patent-pending tapered flame design that delivers even heat distribution and eliminates hot or cold spots within the oven. Where this pizza oven really shines is in the ease of use and advanced features, which include Bluetooth capability. There's also an expanded temperature range, so you can bake a high-temp Neapolitan-style pizza in 60 seconds at 950 degrees, or cook a low-end slow pork shoulder at 310 degrees. After some trial and error, we were able to prepare some delicious pizzas with this oven. The tapered flame design made for a more even cook and also helped the oven reheat faster in between bakes. Because of the extra flame coverage, however, we found that we had to turn the pizza more often to keep it from burning. The digital ambient temperature reader and food probe were also big hits during tests since they allowed us to roast vegetables, toast garlic bread, and prepare a perfectly cooked bone-in steak. The Bluetooth-connected app is a game-changer for entertaining, since you can monitor the temperature even while away from the oven. In tests, we found that the Bluetooth still worked from up to 60 feet away.